In our experiment, we're going to test the functionality of three different detergents: generic detergent, Pinol, and Sote, and how efficient they are at removing certain stains. To ensure the equal evaluation, we'll measure the tone and the size of the stain before we apply the different detergents, and ensure that they are all the same. These three stains will be from soy sauce, chamoy sauce, and spicy botanera sauce. And if the stains will be measured, we will apply 5 millimeters to different parts of the same white cloth. We will add 5 millimeters of each detergent and wait for 30 minutes to see the effect of each detergent. The detergents will be the independent variable, because on each stain we will test three different detergents. The dependent variable is the stains that do not change on each of the different detergents. Our hypothesis is that all three detergents will do in measurable terms the same effects on the stain. We'll test three different detergents on the same stains under the same conditions. First, we're going to place our stains on a piece of cloth. The piece of cloth will be the same texture, the same material, and the same color across all our detergents. We'll add 5 millimeters of hot sauce, chocolate milk, and red wine to create the stain of each piece of cloth. We will need 3 pieces of cloth for each substance. When we have our 9 cloths, we will measure the size and the color of the stains for us to compare later. Then, we will add 3 different detergents to the designed cloth. Each detergent will be in contact with each of the substances. We'll let the detergent sit on the stains for 30 minutes. After that, we will wipe once with a piece of napkin on each cloth. When we clean each cloth from the detergent, we will compare the size and color of the stains to see how they were before adding detergent. Well, based on our results, we can observe that none of the detergents and soaps are able to completely erase the stain, but we did see different levels of efficiency. Detergent 1 was the best option to remove stains quickly from the white cloth, as it was the one that better clarified the intensity of the color of the stain. With detergent 2 and detergent 3, we can see very comparable results, but neither of those had the efficiencies of number 1, but they both have a noticeable effect on the stain. Some things that we could improve is that on one of the experiment errors that we identified while making it is that we didn't establish a proper time for each step of the procedure. 2 minutes was our goal, but in some steps we ended up using less time than established. For example, we wanted to leave the stains dry out for 2 minutes, but we left some of them dry for less. And for experimental improvements, probably next time we could use a better equipment, because some of the materials we brought for the stains were very thick and it was really difficult when we were trying to measure the quantities. We used some measuring tubes, but they were very long and often got dirty with pouring the ingredients. And as a conclusion, our hypothesis was that all detergents used will have a similar effect, which was wrong because we saw that detergent number 1 was considerably more effective than the other 2. We conclude that in a short term of 5 minutes, the best detergent is number 1 to clear a stain. Also, we did not do the experimentation for the effectiveness over a long time period of time. Thank you very much.